This is another available Bloomfield home in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. This home has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. You can see all the variegated brick that brings out the design details of the different elevations. It has gutters, as well as a curved entry to your covered front porch. Lights on either side of your main garage door. Let's go take a look inside. As we enter in, you'll see the focal point of your fireplace down there. Before we head there, let's go over to this first front bedroom. You have double doors into your closet. And to the side of the entryway is this full bath, tile all the way up to the ceiling. In front of the bathroom is your linen closet. Continuing down the hall, it's the entry from the garage. In your 3-car garage, you have a tankless water heater over here. Let's continue inside. Throughout the main floor, you have this nice light wood design that gives it a nice airy feel that ties in with your banister, as well as your contemporary mantle, giving it a nice seamless look throughout the main floor. Over here is a nook where you can place a table, some chairs, or art statue, a great place to put your Christmas tree. Off of that is the laundry room, which we're going to wrap around back to. Right here is the understairs storage. That goes pretty far back. Then down the hall, you have the entry to the primary suite and opens up to your main living area. Nice raised ceiling, tile all the way up from the fireplace. Nice windows above that shine extra light over to your overlook from the 2nd story. Through these double doors is the office/study, the nice sized windows. To the side of that is the open floor plan into the kitchen. Space under here for your legs when you're sitting on stools. Quartz countertop, space for your refrigerator, and next to that, space to put your coffee maker. In here is a walk-in pantry, shelving all around. Microwave and oven with a drawer below. Plenty of cabinets above and below. Nice single basin stainless steel sink. Your dishwasher on the left. Drawers underneath your stove. 4 burners with an updraft. And to the right of the sink is your trash pullout. Flowing right into your dining space with multiple windows giving you nice natural light throughout the day. They also have a window seat here. Sit down, read a book with natural light through the day, look out to your backyard. They have screens installed where you can let the nice breeze through in the evening. Next to that is your covered patio. Let's go into the primary suite. Primary suite has a curvature to the ceiling, as well as another window seat. Screens again to let in the breeze. View out to your backyard. More windows for additional natural light coming through. Flows right into the primary bathroom with dual sinks, nice sized glass mirror. Plenty of space in the toilet room. Tile around the tub, nice deep soaking tub with frosted glass giving you the privacy but natural light coming through, and a step-in shower with a nice bench and tile all the way up to the ceiling. Continuing through the bathroom is the primary closet, with racks on both sides, wrapping around. And that continues into the laundry room. In the laundry room section, you have a couple of cabinets, your hookups, power along the wall if you want to put in a second refrigerator or freezer, a bench for your mud space, tile throughout, easy to clean up, and that loops around right to your stairs. Let's head upstairs. At the top of the stairs is the landing overlooking the main living space and out to the backyard through the nice sized windows. That continues into your game room with 3 nice sized windows bringing in natural light as you're playing games through the day. And that flows right into your media room, which has cables pre-installed. Let's continue to the other side. Right off of the game room is this closet, which can act as a game storage for your game room or a linen closet, multiple different things you can use this for. Opposite of that is the full hall bath with a nice frosted glass window in the shower, tile all the way to the ceiling. Let's continue to the bedroom. Nice windows, curved entries in the ceiling. Over here is the double doors into the closet. Let's continue down the hall. Off of this hall section, we have bedrooms on either side with individual vanities connecting to a shared bathroom space. Let's check them out. Through here, you have your windows with the curvature in the ceiling going over to your double doors for your closet. Over here is your first vanity, which leads into the shared tub/shower space with tile going all the way to the ceiling and a nice frosted glass window letting in natural light once again. Which then goes over to the toilet space and the second vanity that leads back to the bedroom. Natural light, curved ceiling, and single door into your closet. And that wraps back around to your hall section. Let's loop around to the backyard. One thing I noticed as I'm going down the stairs is there's an electrical outlet at this little landing, letting you plug in your vacuum halfway up the steps. Let's continue to the backyard. Nice covered patio space where you can set up patio furniture to hang out in the evenings in the nice breeze. Plenty of space to plant some trees. If you're interested in this home, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. If you want to know more about the community of Painted Tree, watch this video. On the screen is all my contact information. Send me a message and let's start looking.